Okay, one-piece cases. So we're going to look at this one, but you'll have this one as a visual aid because it's the same model. This, by the way, is the same as the 6139 Rally bracelets. I have that one available here. Yes. It's the same link pattern, and the removable links will exchange. Stellux, of course. Very 90. It's hard to get more 1970s than this. Any case, but if you look, they are a one-piece case. You can't pop them out the back, and it says push set lever, pull stem, open through glass, blah, 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 blah. So the way for us to do that is to open through the glass. So since I'm mostly interested in showing you the movement, I'm going to do that stuff a little more quickly. Okay, got the bracelet off. Okay, that's a clue, isn't it? That's a Stellux bracelet. I don't care what anybody says. But yet, it's got just the standard flex clasp. I mean, maybe I'm wrong, but whew. Okay, before we get too much more distracted, let's get this open, shall we? I was looking this one over. I don't think this has been opened before. Because the cutout for the bezel fingernail to slot to get it in, it's right here. It's perfectly centered and there's no damage whatsoever to that. And let's see if I can continue that. So I got that off without too much trouble. It's a little dirty. So now you've got to use our handy dandy crystal squeezer. There's probably an official name for it, but I know what I mean. Yeah, I don't think that protective film is going to work on it. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know why I thought that was a good idea. Okay. So, like so. So when you screw this down, it contracts everything. Okay, let's try that again. It's always, you know, gotta be delicate. There we go. So now, what we've got to do is we've got to uncover the release lever, which I would love to do if I could find my rotico. Actually, I could just do this. That, my friends, is the one. Okay, so there we are. What we can see now, see that? That little thing right there, that little point, that is the stem release lever. So I pull that out to stop the movement. I try to get my fingernail wedged in here. See if I can do this, huh? Well, it's fighting me just a hair. There we go. So, here's our stem. Now, we've got to undo the locking washer. These things are held into the case by this ring that turns. And the ring that turns locks it into, oh, actually, I will use this, the case. There you are. Look at that, huh? Seiko does make a nice case. Look at that thing. It looks like it's almost brand new. Don't worry, folks. I'll put this all back together. Don't you worry about a thing. So that's how we do it. If you ever service one of these, though, anybody, and you're putting this back together, do not forget to put that lever back in the calendar in the keyless works. Because if you do, and you drop that in, you don't have any way to get it out short of breaking it. So anyway, thanks for watching.